Hi everybody, I'm Wilson from Motoren Werkz. We are running a continental car specialist workshop. So today I'm actually going to talk about a little bit on the Liqui Moly CAD system. So far we've been representing Liqui Moly for about say a year, and this CAD system is very new. It's about a month. So when our customers were doing the CAD system, a lot of general feedback is the car is quieter, the car runs smoother, and I think what's most noticeable is they got back their fuel consumption. They have been generally saying that they have better fuel economy. So this is my short introduction for the Liqui Moly CAD system.
Hi, good morning everyone. We're here to share today with you the Catalytic system cleaner from Liqui Moly. This system cleans the air portion of your engine. It basically cleans your intake manifold, your intake valves, the piston crown, combustion chamber, O2 sensor and catalytic system. The main purpose of this system is to give your car the best performance and the best fuel economy that you can get. So I hope to see you real soon at Motoren